I catch you eating Snickers bars face down, we're done. What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. And today, well, I think I am going to Storm King Highway. Either way, I'm just out enjoying the day. Freaking beautiful day. It's really scenic up here. This is 202. Lots of curves. I believe I've been on this road once before. Still kind of boggles my mind how well this bike handles being its weight. And next week friends, I address the sound issue. You really do not have to twist my arm to ride along the Hudson River, especially up here, man. Look at this, huh? If you like my videos, if you'd be kind enough to give the thumbs up or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it. I drop my videos Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. No more opening the app and kicking it loose. They're just scheduled now. I thought that would affect its placing when people searched for the videos, but anything with the word Indian Challenger in it, I'm getting 100+ views, which is kind of cool. Love this bike. I do miss Big Sheila sometimes, man, I'm gonna tell you, but the midlife crisis mobile, it's a different kind of smile. I said it before, I'll say it again, the Pan America is a friggin' animal. And to just have the ability, if you buy I'd buy the Special. I wouldn't buy the ST, unless you don't want the adjustable windshield or the steering stabilizer. But whatever you buy, Pan America, go buy a skid plate. Your radiator overflow is underneath the fake skid plate. And they might not be now, but last year, it was almost impossible to find one. I got lucky. I have a fixed one too, if anybody's watching my videos and you have a 24 and you need a radiator overflow. I'm thinking we need to talk about movie magic, right? You know, and I spoke a couple videos back about, you know, when Spock mind humped Jim and put his conscience in Jim's brain and saved the crew and the warp reactor, and I'm giving her all she's got. Well, I had an idea last night over libations, and if I'm being blunt, that's when the best ideas happen, over libations, right? I want to see a live action Kojak movie. But I want Terry Crews to play Kojak. You tell me that's not going to be awesome. Or, well, a TJ Hooker movie starring Arnold Schwarzenegger. You know what? That's it. I'm a genius, I tell you, a genius. Yeah, this is the bridge you cross over to get to West Point. See the view? There's a little baby bridge. This is a not so fun intersection, huh? Purple Heart Veterans Memorial Bear Mountain Bridge with the view, huh? Alright, I'll bring you back when we get closer to Storm King Highway, because the ride up is boring to say the least. So, Storm King Highway was a bust. I guess I should have checked before I came up here, but I was in the area, I was 30 minutes away, and I'm like, oh, it's got to be open, right? Wrong. That's right, sad trombone. And then I get on 9W the wrong way, and if you're not familiar with this area, once you get on 9W, you're stuck for like 2 or 3 miles. So I found a way to get off, only to get right back on 9W North again the wrong way. So now I'm on 9W South going the right way. Not a total bust. This is another curvy road. It's nice up here. Check this out. I always drive by these. I wanted to see what this was. This place commemorates the Hudson River National Defense Reserve Fleet, moored at this point in the river from April 1946 to April 1971. Huh. Yeah, I'm coming up over this hill and I'm like flapping my gums, recording videos, and the camera stopped recording, and I'm like, grr. So I pull off, and I wanted to get that video you just saw of where they basically just docked these boats for, what was it, almost 30 years. And I'm like, oh, there's 81% battery, the card's good. I must have hit the button or did something. I swear there's a conspiracy against me and just people that absolutely don't want to go over the speed limit. Holy hell. This video is really wanging chung, huh?